In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your birth date on Facebook. You can simply change your date of birth on Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. On the menu page, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select the option of Settings. On the Settings page, tap on this first option right here. Scroll down onto the option of Personal Details. Select the option of Date of Birth. Tap on this Edit button. Then you can go on and select any date of your own choice. Tap on the Save button and your Facebook birth date will get updated successfully. That's how easy it is to change your date of birth on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.